International companies are wondering whether Amazon's South African market opening presents an opportunity for them as well. And while it's true that this marketplace is relatively small, it still is poised for explosive growth, which is why Amazon opened here. In addition, South African consumers crave international products. The proof of this is that Amazon.com, their US marketplace, is the third most searched e-commerce website in the country. And these consumers, South African people, have been disappointed by Amazon.co.za's launch because it's missing these international products. So if you're a foreign company, you have the chance to benefit from two unique advantages. First, the first mover advantage, explained in another clip, and second, the fact that you are supplying this need of international products that are missing on this new marketplace. Fluid SA is equipped with an import license and the market know-how to help take your business international. For us, expanding into a new country on Amazon is easy.